Hey guys, Pretzel here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be unboxing the SH Monster Arts Burning Godzilla 2019 figure. I finally have it after, what, 7 months of waiting? I think this is the longest I've waited for a figure. I was supposed to have the figure 2 days ago, but my post office is running slow. And I would have got it Sunday, but my post office is closed on Sunday, so nothing I can do about that, but I have it, so I never did. Oh, well, actually, it's supposed to go this way. I don't know how it's looking at the box. The box is amazing. I like this box. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's get this open. We'll jump off there. Let's do this. I can't wait to open it. So, a lot of. Open it like this. And there she is. Or he, to be more accurate. The nice smelly smell of a new action figure. It's delicious. Alrighty. We gotta move. Yeah, I imagine there's tape on this somewhere. Or not. I guess there isn't tape on this part. Go ahead and remove this. There's the smell. Don't judge me, I like the smell of new action figures. The figure out. Remove the plastic. This figure is warm, which makes sense because the figure, it is extremely hot outside. A lot of paint coming off right there. That's fun. Get that off my finger. Pour that over there. I'll try and be as gentle with it as possible. Jaw seems to be tight, so I'll have to do some heating up with that. Hopefully the translucent plastic makes the tail to be more movable, because it is not mobile on my regular SH Monster Arts Godzilla 2019. So far, so good, and very translucent. Not you know, the entire thing is pretty translucent, but there's some parts where it's less translucent than others. So far, looks really good. Articulation seems to be better than my regular Godzilla 2019, though it does seem I might have an issue right here with the face. The tongue makes it harder to close it all the way, so that might end up being an issue. I could probably try to move it out of the way the neck joint seems to be tight, so I'll have to loosen that. But yeah, that's that. That's all the figure comes with. But I will heat this guy up and get ready for the review. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.